In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax rates in Xero. Whether you're starting a new business or just need to ensure your finance systems are up to date, this simple guide will help you get your tax rates organized in no time. Let's get started by accessing your Xero account. First, you need to open your internet browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, enter your email address and password, then click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, but for this task, we need to focus on the settings specific to our company. Click on your company name, typically found at the top of the page. This will prompt a drop-down menu with several selections. From these options, select Settings. Here, Xero will show you basic settings, but we are interested in more advanced options. Look for the link labeled Looking for Advanced Settings, and click on it to get to the next stage. In the Advanced Settings area, you'll find a section labeled Tax Rates. Click on this, as it will lead you to the area where you can manage and organize your tax rates. At the tax rates page, you will have the ability to adjust existing rates or add new ones. For our purpose, let's proceed with adding a new tax rate. You'll see a button labeled New Tax Rate. Click on this to open up the fields required to input the new information. Begin by entering a display name for your new tax rate. This name is how the rate will be referenced, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Once you've titled your new rate, move on to add the tax components. This section is crucial as it defines the specifics of your tax percentage and the components you need for accounting. After you've completed entering all necessary details for the tax rate components, the next step is to save your work. You'll find a Save button usually at the bottom right of the screen. Click this to ensure all the changes and new inputs are stored in the system. Now let's say you need to remove a tax rate at a later stage. First, navigate back to the list of tax rates and select the particular tax rate you wish to delete. Once selected, a delete option will appear. Click on delete and then confirm your action by selecting OK in the confirmation prompt. This will permanently remove the chosen tax rate from Xero. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up your sales tax rates in Xero. By following these steps, you can manage your taxes effectively and with ease. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.